Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nasran bin Nasharuddin. My metric number is CN200-147. So today our group will be presenting about the project which is the Square Tower. So student has been given a task to construct a tower by using a straw. The model of the tower must not weigh more than 0.7 kilogram and be between 25 centimeter in length, 35 centimeter in width, and 30 cm in height for the project requirements. This project was assigned to help us better comprehend the stress and strain that a structure goes through when an external force is applied. This project teaches students about the forces that act on a building and how to apply that knowledge to the straw tower project. This project's goal is to construct the stable and strong tower. As you can see in the screen, following is the problem statement of the project, which is to make a design of straw tower to construct a straw tower in accordance with project's requirements, and lastly is to build a stable tower that can reach the maximum load. There are three main objectives that must be achieved at the end of this project, which is the first is to obtain a better understanding of this course. The second one is to apply the knowledge of solid mechanic concepts in the project given. And the last one is to show that effective communication may be used to solve solid mechanical issues in real situations. Next, I will going to pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq Najmi. I want to present about literature review. A literature review is a compilation of previous research on a given topic. It gives you a broad overview of current knowledge, allowing you to go deeper into specific ideas, method and research gap. The content of this literature review in this project are theory of normal stress and normal strain, thin cylinder, and the last is column. In literature review, we also research about history of building tower. The history in building material has been evolved since time immemorial. A variety of trends may be found throughout the history of construction. One reason is that the material utilities are becoming more durable. First is arc. The waist shape of the arc allows for more weight to be placed on top of it. Second is circle. Circle in architecture are mostly found in domes. The advantage of a dome include improved ventilation because of the heightened ceiling and a lack of hindering structure within it. Also allowing for cool and warm air to flow much more easily. And the third is triangle. The triangle is a stable shape that is a great weight bearer because it's widest at its base. And the last is quadrilateral. Rectangle and parallelogram are the most used shape in architecture. The top square, rhombus and trapezoid are in rare creative design, while rectangle are weak and need structural support. Such shapes are generally more economical to construct. The content of this literature review, if we study in solid mechanics, is first is normal stress. In normal stress, we use tensile stress and compressive stress. Second is normal strain. In normal strain, we use normal strain, shear strain and volumetric strain. And third is thin cylinder. In thin cylinder, we use cylindrical vessel and spherical vessel for this project. And the last is column. And in column, we have column with various type of support and column buckling stress. Thank you from.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Sabrina binti Mustafa. Metric number CN200259. I am from section 2 and from group 9. Okay, so from this group, I will present about methodology. So here we got project methodology, which is started, and from we start, and then we got title given by the lecturer, which is load the load tower, the load build tower, and then we go to project information. At this point, we will start brainstorming the idea about the design that was given to us. After that, we sketched the straw design. After we did some brainstorming, we start straw design using a raw, and then we go to, if we proceed with the design that we decide, so we proceed to SolidWorks. After that, we prepare items and materials to build the tower model. After we build the tower model, we test the model by run the experiment with added some load. After that, we prepare report and project presentation. Okay, so this is a raw sketch about design that we brainstorming together. This is we sketch the tower model to get the imaginary of the tower to build. After we get the imaginary, we start um, draw with using SolidWorks. So here we gather all the equipment to do the project, such as masking tape, scissors, straw, A4 paper, ruler, and pencil. After that, we attach the straw together to make the tower poles. And then we attach the combined straw to make the floor of each level. We attach all truss frameworks with tapes to build a tower. Okay, so this is isometric drawing of our project. So I will stop here. We will proceed for the next member. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Ali bin Zaid Yusri with metric number CN200-122. We'll continue the calculation part and discussion with reading of mentioned table. We can calculate the normal stress acting on each of the straw, and we get the theoretical normal stress acting on each straw by using this formula. And we got the value of the stress is 18.70 megapascal. Second calculation is normal strength, and we use Young modulus 1325 megapascal since our straw made from polypropylene with the load 5.7 kg, and we get reading normal strength 0.014. The 5.75 kg load is assumed to be uniform distributed among the 24 straw that make up the tower stock. So the hoop stress calculated is 27.425 Pascal, and the longitudinal stress is calculated is 13.512 Pascal. The maximum force structure can sustain before failing is not that critical load, and after we calculated our square tower has a critical load is 39.48 Pascal. The concept that apply in this project are normal stress, normal strain, thin cylinder, and column. When the load applies on our top, the load will distribute to the top straw. Hence, from that we can calculate normal stress that acting on the joints of the top. Our project mostly made from straw. Then we know the straw is made from polyfree. From parameters, we got the normal strain was computed using normal strain and the Young modulus to see if the deformation of the support is considerable as a result of solidity. Then we apply a concept thin cylinder to calculate the loop and longitudinal stress of each straw on the top of the tower. And lastly, we apply a concept column to calculate the maximum force the structure can sustain before its failing. Thank you.
As a conclusion, we have gained more knowledge at the end of this project. When we construct a tower or structure, we must consider the length, width, height and weight of the structure. From this project, we also achieve our objectives, which is we have learned how to apply the knowledge of solid mechanic concepts in the project given. Most of the students know how to show that effective communication may be used to solve solid mechanical issues in real situations. That's all from us. Thank you.